Hi, and welcome back to another episode of ARK Survival Ascended. Can we really just... oh shit, we can't. Okay, we're a bit heavy, so let's hope we can fly. Yes, we were quite successful in getting resources and all the different materials. And now we're taking that back to our base so we can build a fabricator. And what else? What is lighting up there? There is crystal actually. Where is this? Is this a cave down there? No, that's a passage. It's a passage. A blue one. Yeah, with the fabricator I hope I'll be able to build an industrial forge, a blue drop back there, and a blue drop, industrial forge with, so we were able to get like fast metal. And maybe we're able to build this even today. We just need a bit of fuel to use the fabricator. The rest should be no problem. Come on, push through. Maybe we are able to get fully back. Yes. Oh, 5 meters. Land. Okay. So we made it back. Get this in here. Should we do structures, crafting? Perfect. Let's stuff everything in here for now. Here. Let's go and get the blue drop, hopefully. Ah, there's also crystal right there. Okay, you have to accelerate a bit. Oh, come on, please tell me I can access it. Yes. Terrible setup. Don't know if I want to tame one of these, but okay. And we need a cryopod so we can like tame more efficiently. So we are back. Land, yeah. He's automatically landing, and that's taking me out of concept. Let's see. Shall we build this? Ah, we can transport it later down. We have everything. Otherwise, it might be difficult to store everything in here. What do we need for that? Structures, crafting. We need loads of metal, crystal. Do we have enough crystal? No, not really. But some mending paste should be enough. Oh, wrong. Shit. All the wrong things in here. Composite, no. Structures. Crafting. Cementing paste 600. And we need polymer 400. Polymer. This is hard to get, and oil will be also a problem. Okay. Let's see, how much metal do we have? I guess 100. Something like 100. No, a bit more. Put this in here. Oh, this will take forever to melt all this metal down. Crystal and everything else. I don't know if I want to use organic polymer, like some that we can kill. I think that's easier, but let's see if we can find even one polymer. For that we're searching at the volcano. There should be like the mantises, which should drop at least a bit. Oh, the blue drop coming down. There's a dodo. Nothing much more. No, not much more. What the fuck is going on with my speech? My speaking. What the fuck? Man. Come on, let me access it. Okay, not the worst thing. Let's put this here and give me the narcotic arrows, and maybe we can tame something if we need to. But maybe not. What's going on here? Allosaurus. Oh, it's hard to see something with this fog. So let's see, fly a bit up, maybe around the higher temperature area we find different. There's nothing. Why is there nothing? Huh? I thought there might be at least some dinosaurs or insects. Is this normal? What the fuck? Are they all sleeping? Let's fly up here. I'm a bit hot, okay. Nothing too crazy. There's a cave. Some crystal. Cherry crystal then? What is that? Consume. Shall we shoot it? What is this? I need to aim higher. Don't move, man, you idiot! Stop that! Come on, he did not even move and I did not hit him. This is the... Can you please stop moving around like crazy? Hopefully this thing can't fly. Oh, come on, now that... Can't I hit this thing? Is this... That is not that much of a drop. Now I hit it. Can it go up here? Please tell me that you're not able to. Can I knock this unconscious? Please? I think it's knocked out. Come on, let me... Follow all. Where's this thing? There's some light. Can I? You must fantastic things. Oh, what the fuck? Land. Land, you idiot! I want to... You should land, idiot. Something. Okay. At least you can... This is... I think this is a mantis. Okay. 49 actually looks not so bad. Oh, come on, so long. Let's see. It was actually kind of successful. And we found a treasure map. So if you get like 50, there's another of these fucking dogs that we can't tame because we have not the fantastic tames. Whatever this means. Can we keep polymer fresh with a refrigerator? Why can't I see anything? Only those weird... what are they called? I think this could be on. Dive bomb. Yeah, this could be on. Oh shit, I actually missed it. Come on, turn around. Why can't I turn? And they hit me. Thank you. Okay, fly up. Snake. This other insect thing. Okay, but this really scares. This is a Wyvern Trench. Should we try to get a Wyvern egg? But I can't see any Wyverns. Guess it's getting hot here. Okay, there it is. Oh shit, let's move away. I can't see any eggs. And I think they're following me. I'm getting sidetracked all the time, that's not so efficient. But at least we know that there might be Wyrens. But can I see one of the nests, please? I think there is one. Move. Oh shit, this hurts. Come on. Move. Shit. I think they will follow me and I'm out of... Let's regenerate a bit. Okay, there's one. And that's the next one. I didn't regenerate my stamina. Okay. Okay, this was better than I thought. crazy. Oh man. We need, is it still following? No. We need lots of torches to breed this one. Shit, I missed it. Come on, let's kill this one. You're a Wyvern egg. You're not any peasant anymore. Now there are the different insects around this area. Before there was just nothing. This looks like just snakes and random. There's some snake. Let's head back. Ah, fuck, I have no Wyvern milk. Shit, can I even nourish this guy then? Fuck, I'm so dumb. I need the refrigerator for sure. To keep at least the egg fresh. Let's regenerate our stamina a bit. Shit, inventory. 3 for fuck. Oh, not that crazy. Lightning Wyvern. That's cool. Man. How do I get Wyvern milk? I have to kill these, don't I? Shit, how do I kill that? It's my... How much... Oh, we lost quite a bit in this fight. Maybe we can level up the Griffin a bit more, so we are actually able to kill the Wyverns. Maybe... Yeah, I don't want to use Griffin and Wyvern... Argentavis at the same time. Let's try, what do we need for those lightning things? Not lightning things, standing torches, stone, flint, stone, flint, whatever. Stone, we have no flint, stone, flint. No. No. Harvest. Should be able to harvest also flint. So why doesn't it work? Oh man, I got sidetracked again like crazy. First thing I wanted to do was like get just the polymer and the industrial forge going, and then we are stuck getting... Okay, we get flint like that. Get these rocks away. We'll get this. Come on. This should be destroyable. Yes, it is. Thank you. Okay, let's move. Turn, turn, turn. Fetch wood, and then we can stop breeding it. We need something to be able to kill Wyverns with. The only thing I can think about is the Griffin at the moment. Maybe we need another Griffin. Like 2 or 3 of them. Give me stone. Some fetch, I guess we need like 10, 15, something like that. Maybe fiber? Let's see. How many do we need? 6 craft amount, let's do 15. I think this could be just the right amount. And then you're breeding it like back here. Let's place these down. And then when this is working, we need 15 stacks of wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can't move with that amount. With this amount it's possible. One, another one, another one, another one. How long does this last? 11 hours, okay. I guess this is enough, otherwise we have to go and get more wood. Wrong one. Put this on away. Start this for a moment. No fuel, yeah. I thought so. Yeah, wolves, I got it. You're screaming, yeah, no. You're hungry or whatever. Is it possible to, breed them? And why am I always in the wrong one? Can I breed wyverns in the Wyvern Trench? That must be hot anyway, so it would be way easier to do so. Put this in here, put this in here. Let's turn on this and see if we're able to heat up the area. This now it's hot. Let's see this inventory. Can I drop that? Too cold. Okay, let's eat more. I think we need that. Let's craft 10. It's actually quite a lot if you imagine it. You have to put these. Still some. It's too hot. Too cold. I'm burning. It's so hard to fill in. It's 25. And it's get a bit laggy. 30 minutes. Okay. But now it's working. And the lights should be on for 11 hours, so... Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. So, next thing we need to do is level up our Wyvern then. So, thank you for watching, and till the next time, have a great time. Bye.